Alright, y'all seen what we were trying to do and what we end up doing. So I just drilled all the spot wells and made a cut. And I got the piece I need. So it should fit right up to the skin that up in there that I could take off. See that? Oh, I could just put it on. Yeah. Yep. Take it off. Put it on. Cover motor. So see it though. We about done with this old car here. I gotta get a few more things. And we gonna let this old joker go, baby. Y'all be sure to comment, like, share, subscribe. Turn that post notification on so you can keep up with the latest, baby. Y'all know what it is. Nah? Alright, gang, so I don't have this here on my Nova. I'm taking this here part off. I also took the box off. The panel for it. Took that off so I could put it on my firewall. Because I don't have that box neither. My car was all heat. So what I'm doing here, I'm converting a heat car only. Look at this here blender. Look at that. So I might have to cut that out too. See, it's in this location right there. Leave that for my evidence, baby. Let a little blender come out of here. Blender. So it seals off this section now to allow fresh air to get in the car. This side here don't look like it has any. So we done got the blender, gang. You hear me? I'll see it. I have to cut that out. Grab a few more things. Try to get that fender in the trunk or in the car, whichever one it'll go in. You see, I got everything. This the blender kick panel for the passenger side. Box cracked on me because I wasn't careful removing that fender, so it grabbed it. So I'm gonna do a repair on that box on both sides. This is corner as well. Got all the duct work. This here piece here, it was tucked up in here. And I had to cut those balls to remove it. So, you see how tight it is. I don't think I'll be able to put that piece in without doing the same. So, I'll probably cut it because look, it's all welded back there. That ball ain't coming out of there. Up here, see, they had two balls. And that was the only way I was able to remove that piece. So I might have to notch them and weld them back up. I want to grab all these wires too, just to have. Grab all of that. And I think that's going to be a wrap, baby. I might cut this here top section right there because it had, what it had up there? I guess I don't need to cut it because it's going to be covered anyway by the dash. So I probably don't need to cut it. See, they got door panels and all that. I got door panels. I'm about to let them go, Jim. I'm gonna get this here, the kick panel down there. Might take some of this. Can't even use the trim. Get that. Throw them wheels back on there that was on them. Call a guy to come get it. Matter of fact, I'm about to call them now. See if they can come get it today. Appreciate y'all watching, baby. Comment, like, share, subscribe. Stay tuned. We're gonna catch you on the next one. We gone. Alright, gang, I wanted to show y'all the inside box for the AC, how to remove this here old heater coil. So you see these them bolts around the box, you remove all of those first, but then there's this here little bracket that bolts to the outside the box, and also supports your open and close rod for your blender. So you gotta take that off, and then once you take these other two screws out right here, them two little ones, she should come out of there. I ain't got no tripod, y'all. Y'all see. So that's how you get that old yeah. That's how you get that old yeah out of there. You gotta bend them up so you can slide over there, baby. That's how you get that old heater coil out of there. You hear me? And you got your two little more screws inside the blender down there that's holding them on. Y'all get the picture, man. Let's get it, let go, let get go. Alright, gang. I got everything off it that I needed to get. So y'all see how bad the trunk is. Put a muffler right there. Trunk bad for sure. Look at that big old AC compressor. All filter tool in there. Oh, ain't bad. Thank you, Cutlass, man. Y'all see it, I'm gonna throw that fender up in there. Took the whole wire harness off. That's the whole one for the car. That's the one on the box. Gotta fix that box. Jump on it ASAP. I tried to take that trim off, but it was bending up. It was too hard, so I guess I could try to look for the outer trim. I'm gonna go back with it. Probably hold on to the windshield wipers. Y'all see what I was talking about with that duct. This piece right here. Piece right here. Ain't no way possible was I able to take this here out of here without cutting them two balls. You see that? So I'm gonna cut them on a Nova, put them in there, and I'll weld them back. That's the only way, gang. I took all the wire and all the controls, everything. I got everything I need, baby, to convert it to AC. Take my time, repair them little cracks, clean these parts up. I just bought the heater coil, and that's another thing too. When you getting these heater coils or messing with AC, like the one I'm converting from a heater only to AC, I gotta get those different parts of the system to work with an AC coil and not what I got on a Nova. You know, so y'all comment, like, share, subscribe, baby. And next time you see this, it's gonna be on a tow truck. So get it, let go, let get go. Go time. '74 Apollo. Cutlass man Co. He out of here, baby. I got everything I need. Last minute I had to get this here old dash. You see that vent? My car don't have that. I took the whole dash out of that, baby. Old Apollo, we gone. She gone. We gone. Get her out of here. That's right. Oh, yeah. Alright, gang, we done made it about old Monday, baby. I'm about to get my part. The boy hot out chill. Y'all stay hydrated, man. I'm gonna let you kind of see what's happening with it. Alright, lads. Say that nothing money. We can breathe hell, huh? Huh?